Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Fusion 360 error that appears when you try to delete a face and Fusion refuses to remove it. This is a very common issue for beginners and even experienced users because Fusion works with solid bodies and sometimes removing a face would break the model. When that happens, Fusion blocks the action and shows the delete face error. The good news is, there are a few quick methods that usually solve the problem in seconds. I'll walk you through the most reliable fixes step by step so you can repair the geometry and continue modeling without starting over. First, let's try the easiest solution, which is using delete face with the heal option. In Fusion 360, go to the modify menu and choose delete face. After selecting the tool, click on the face you want to remove. In the dialog box, make sure the heal option is enabled. What this does is tell Fusion to automatically rebuild the surrounding surfaces and close the gap that would normally appear after the face is deleted. In many cases, this instantly fixes the error and Fusion will smoothly repair the body. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is the connected geometry around that face. Sometimes the face you are trying to delete is tied to important edges or surfaces that Fusion needs in order to keep the body valid. When you remove it, Fusion cannot calculate how to rebuild the surrounding area. Rotate the model, zoom in, and inspect the edges touching that face. Look for complex corners intersecting sketches or surfaces that may prevent Fusion from healing the shape automatically. Another common reason for this error is dependent features. Things like fillets, chamfers, or patterns may be attached to the face you want to remove. Because those features rely on that face, Fusion will not allow it to be deleted. Look at the timeline at the bottom of Fusion 360 and identify any fillet or chamfer features connected to that area. Try editing or temporarily deleting those features first and then attempt the delete face operation again. If Fusion still refuses to delete the face, you can switch to the Surface Workspace for more control. Surface tools allow you to manually remove faces, patch holes, and rebuild geometry piece by piece. Go to the Surface tab, delete the problem face, and then use patch or stitch to rebuild the solid body. This method takes a little more effort, but it works when automatic healing fails. Quick tip before we finish: this error usually appears because deleting the face would leave an open or invalid solid body and Fusion cannot rebuild the surrounding surfaces automatically. Using heal checking, connected geometry, and removing dependent features will solve most cases. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and quick CAD fixes.